This is a video tutorial on how to make the Happy Days padded hanging heart. Place the front part of your heart right sides up and then take your folded piece of ribbon and place in the centre so the raw edge of your ribbon is in the centre of the heart, and pop a clip in it. I'm now going to take it over to the sewing machine and I'm going to tack the ribbon in place. I've tacked the ribbon into place and now I'm going to take the back of the heart and place it right sides together, so that would be the right side, and place it on top and line up all the sides, and I'm going to pop some clips in. I've clipped it and I've also remembered to leave a gap for turning, and I'm going to start there and sew all the way down to the point and stop around the curve. Take your time at this bit, all the way around, and stop. The seam allowance is 1/4 inch. I've sewn all the way around and I've remembered to leave a gap, and now I'm going to carefully snip all the way around the curves, and I'm going to snip the bottom off as well. I've snipped all the way around the curved area. I've left a gap and I've also snipped the point at the end, which makes a better finish when we turn it. And the next stage is to turn the heart the right way by pulling it through the gap we left. I've turned it the right way out, and now I'm going to use the gap and I'm going to take my filling and I'm going to stuff the heart. I've hand stitched the gap, I've added a button, and that's your Happy Days padded hanging heart all finished.